The solutions you long for are about to be unveiled, and the cosmos aligns in your favor as long as you are willing to expand your mental and emotional horizons towards new dimensions. Discoveries that exceed all expectations await you. You possess in your mind a tool of immense power, capable of sculpting your environment according to each thought and feeling that dwells within you. The emotions and feelings you experience play a crucial role in the materialization of your aspirations and in the shaping of your reality. What you experience on the outside is nothing more than a mirror of your inner world, reflecting your beliefs and emotions. To transform your external reality, it is imperative to begin with a review and modification of your internal perception and emotional reactions. Set aside the barriers imposed by logic and common sense and immerse yourself in the vast ocean of your imagination. Beyond focusing solely on the tangible and rational, experience the sensation of having already achieved your goals, through the creation of mental images rich in detail and charged with the emotions and happiness that would accompany their realization. The secret to successful manifestation lies in your ability to live as if your desire has already become a reality. The creation of detailed visualizations and the conviction that your dreams are already a reality are fundamental in this process. To do this, foster a feeling of gratitude and trust towards the universe, accepting that you are deserving of your deepest desires. Your daily experiences are shaped by your thoughts, beliefs, and emotional states. Neville Goddard urges you to reflect on your perceptions and be aware of the emotions you cultivate. If you find yourself trapped in a cycle of negativity or dissatisfaction, it is crucial to shift your internal attitude towards one of success and prosperity. Neville Goddard emphasizes the role of your imagination and creative visualization in the manifestation process. Clearly imagining your desires and immersing yourself in the feeling of having achieved them will facilitate their attraction towards you, making them a part of your reality. It is essential to understand that your external reality can be modeled and transformed through your ability to imagine. Often, we limit ourselves to what is already known or what we consider possible. However, it is crucial to transcend those barriers and harness the power of your mind to open up new possibilities. Neville Goddard suggests that creative visualization is an essential component for the manifestation of your desires. Generate clear and precise mental images of your goals. These should be as detailed and realistic as possible, employing all your senses to recreate the experience in your mind. In addition to visualizing, it is crucial to involve your emotions in this process. It is not enough to have mental images. It is necessary to immerse yourself in the emotional experience of having achieved your desires. By internally generating feelings of joy, gratitude, and satisfaction, you send a signal to the universe that you have already received what you desire. The effectiveness of visualization depends on maintaining an unwavering faith in your images and emotions. Although your external reality may challenge your visualizations at certain moments, trust that your desires will manifest at the perfect time. Persistence and faith in your visualizations are crucial for success and manifestation. When employing creative visualization, it is important to ensure coherence between your mental images and your subconscious beliefs. If there are conflicts or limiting beliefs within you, you may face obstacles in the manifestation of your desires. Therefore, it is vital to examine and readjust your beliefs to be in harmony with your goals. You must leave behind the restrictions imposed by logic and common sense, and instead, trust in the unlimited power of your creative imagination to forge a reality that resonates with your deepest desires. Neville Goddard encourages you to overcome the barriers imposed by conventions and traditional beliefs, recognizing that your reality is not limited to what your physical senses can perceive. Expand your perception and accept the existence of dimensions and forces beyond the tangible. Imagination thus becomes a formidable tool for the creation of your desired reality. Frequently, we settle for present circumstances or limit ourselves to what we already know. It is essential to challenge those confines and imagine scenarios that surpass our current experiences. Creative imagination allows you to transcend the boundaries of the known and open yourself to new possibilities and potentials. Neville Goddard demonstrates that what you are capable of imagining and feeling internally has the power to manifest in your external reality. By venturing to imagine and visualize favorable situations, you are planting the seeds for their future materialization. However, creative imagination goes beyond mere fantasy. It requires you to fully immerse yourself in the imagined experience, living it with all your senses and emotions. Only by internally feeling the desired reality can you activate its potential for manifestation. Neville does not advocate for a total renunciation of logic and reason, but rather for an expansion of your perspective and an openness to new possibilities. Logic can serve you to outline a plan of action, but it is imagination that allows you to surpass limits and access a deeper level of creativity and manifestation. Ultimately, your reality is shaped by your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. By freeing yourself from the restrictions imposed by conventional logic and trusting in the capacity of your imagination to create a new reality, you open yourself to a universe of limitless possibilities. Persistence and discipline are fundamental in the process of manifesting your desires. Persistence is crucial for achieving your goals. Often, when faced with obstacles or delays in the manifestation of your desires, the temptation to give up may arise, believing that your efforts are in vain. Discipline is understood as the constant and methodical application of visualization techniques, as well as the cultivation of positive thoughts and emotions. This requires a rigorous commitment and self-discipline to maintain focus on your goals, avoiding falling into negative patterns of thought and emotion. Neville Goddard encourages us to adopt daily routines that strengthen our manifestation process, which can range from establishing a dedicated space for visualization to writing positive affirmations, practicing gratitude, and assigning specific moments to tune into our vision and the emotions it evokes. Discipline also encompasses self-development and personal growth. It is crucial to remain receptive to learning, seek knowledge, and refine skills. As you evolve and transform into a fuller version of yourself, you prepare the ground for the materialization of your desires. It is vital to understand that persistence and discipline should not translate into an obsession with results. It is important to learn to release control and trust the process. Maintaining rigid expectations can limit the ways in which your desires manifest. By adopting a stance of openness and acceptance, you facilitate the universe's fluid collaboration with you. Neville Goddard emphasizes the importance of assuming full responsibility for your reality, recognizing your role as the creator of your experiences. There is no room for blaming others for what you live. You are the architect of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, and these internal dimensions shape your external reality. Stop seeking external solutions and start exploring your inner self in search of the power to change and transform. By assuming this responsibility, you affirm your ability to direct your thoughts and emotions. It is crucial to be aware of how you perceive yourself, others, and the world. Fostering positive thoughts and beliefs that support your goals is essential. Align your emotions with your desires. Emotions are key indicators of the energy you are projecting to the universe. If fear, anxiety, or negativity dominate, you will attract more of those experiences. Instead, by focusing on emotions such as gratitude, love, and joy, you open pathways to more positive experiences that are in harmony with your aspirations. It is fundamental to question and transform limiting beliefs instilled from an early age, which may come from your environment or past experiences. Recognize that you have the power to interrogate them and replace them with beliefs that empower you and propel you towards your objectives. Many of these limiting beliefs are adopted from our environment and do not reflect our true essence. By recognizing that these beliefs do not define you, you free yourself from them more easily. Responsibility also entails taking concrete actions towards the realization of your desires, moving towards your goals, making decisions consistent with your aspirations, and seizing the opportunities that present themselves. Assuming responsibility motivates you to be proactive in creating your reality, without relying exclusively on external factors. Those who have empowered themselves and taken the reins of their reality have experienced transformations so profound that their lives have changed radically. Neville Goddard invites you to live as if your desire has already materialized, maintaining a mental state that reflects your desired experience. If you focus on the lack or absence of what you desire, you will perpetuate that reality. On the contrary, by adopting a positive mental state and feeling your desire as a present reality, you will facilitate its manifestation. To embody this mental state, Practice creative visualization, imagining your desires as tangible realities and living the emotions associated with their realization. Immerse yourself in the details, sounds, aromas, and sensations of your achievements. By doing so, you activate the creative power of your subconscious mind and communicate your intentions to the universe clearly. Neville Goddard also highlights the importance of gratitude and anticipated joy. Give thanks and celebrate the realization of your desires before their physical manifestation. Gratitude and joy are powerful emotions that elevate your vibration and align you with the materialization of your aspirations. Trust the process and release any doubts or anxieties regarding how and when your desires will manifest. Maintain a mental state that reflects the certainty of your desire already fulfilled, even outside of your visualization practices. Cultivate awareness of your thoughts and emotions at all times, redirecting any negativity towards your positive vision. By committing to this mental state, you generate a magnetic attraction towards the circumstances and opportunities necessary for the realization of your dreams. Recognize your divinity and the unlimited potential that resides within you. Visualize with intention and feel with conviction, for your thoughts and emotions are the seeds of your future realities. The power of the mind and the role of thoughts and emotions in shaping our reality cannot be overstated. As Neville Goddard teaches, our inner world is the blueprint for our outer experiences. By assuming full responsibility for our mental and emotional states, we reclaim our power as the creators of our lives. This responsibility begins with a deep awareness of our habitual thought patterns and the beliefs that underlie them. Many of us have unconsciously absorbed limiting beliefs from our environment, past experiences, or societal conditioning. These beliefs can range from ideas about our own worthiness and capabilities to assumptions about what is possible or achievable in life. Assume responsibility for creating your destiny, celebrate your achievements in advance, and maintain the certainty that the universe conspires in your favor. Persist in your dreams despite challenges, keeping your vision clear and trusting in the manifestation process. Discipline is the bridge between your dreams and their realization. Commit to creative visualization and a focused mind. Challenge limiting beliefs and construct a belief system that propels you towards your highest goals. You are the author of your story. Each step towards your dreams is a step towards your greatness. Act with determination, knowing that success is within your reach. Recognize your divine and transformative nature. By awakening your inner power, the world molds itself around you.